Guess what the fuck's in here? Hey, welcome to Ralfy Customs. A quick one here for Arco, Outlaw Edge. Look, everyone who knows him, Joey, fucking Mill Creek, Danny, DG, fucking Glenn, NZ Mopar. Look at this fucker, right? Hold on, let me spin you around. So, we've just had a delivery. Guess what the fuck's in here? Go on, have a guess. I'm trying to fucking open it now. Here we go. Woohoo! There you go. Fucking just for you, Arco, buddy. I'm going to get these out and then give the heads a good wire brush. And then somebody showed me a fucking boiled linseed oil and fucking antifreeze trick that I might have to try. I've got some fucking, what's this fucker? Fire starter. Twisted fire starter. Woohoo! Then we just need the fucking, hold on here, we fucking got to do la da la da. It's fucking around here somewhere. Don't do this to me. Don't fucking do this to me. Is it here? Is it fucking here? It fucking is, isn't it? We've only gone and got it. Sorted, brother. So, I couldn't resist it. I saw it online. It's fucking vintage hammers. It's just fucking, I love kit. I've got loads. I've got some more. Come on. Let's swap you around. Off we go. So, vintage tools. Look at this bad boy. It's old record. Stilson, we call it, pipe wrench. Fucking hell, that's older than fucking God. Isn't it? I've had this since, it's my daughter's birthday today, day of filming, and this is older than she is. I bought this before she was born. Bless her. Snap-on fucking Stilson pipe wrench. And we've got a little bit of fucking, oh, look at these fucking pincers, look. Love these, love shit like this. Love the old side cutters. Snip pliers are they called in America. Made in England, only the best. There you fucking go. Loads of different cutters and fucking pliers, and these were the ends, look, fucking square bits on the ends for managing whatever you're doing. If you're a cobbler or a don't know what the fuck, a pipe fitter or something. Yeah, I've got to go over to the welder. Look at these fucking Moore and Wright dividers for measuring inside. Nowadays we're pretty much, vernier gauge kind of does it, or something a bit more accurate. But in the old days, look, we had these for measuring inside diameters, outside diameters. Look, whoa. What I'm trying to get to is fucking hell. Bernard fucking parallels. Look at these. Look like fucking triceratops, don't they? And they open parallel. So they're great for gripping stuff. I keep them on my welder because they're good for trimming the wire. And these are good for undoing tips and holding things and whatnot. They're fucking lovely. Beautiful bits of kit. So that's them. Still on with that, but we're not on about that. We're on about kit, ain't we? We've got the old selection. And the fucking, I need to make an hammer rack now. Thing. That's the fucking thing, isn't it, Arco, if you're watching? Fucking hammer rack. Hammer rack, how I talk. Hammer rack, that'll be awesome. That'll be kick ass. Don't be a dumbass. So, I don't know where I'm going to put that. Maybe there. Maybe somewhere around there. I don't fucking know. But I'll get on it. That'll be this weekend's endeavours. Have a great one. Love you lots.